part of the mammalian kidney you find the collecting duct? They said cortex, and I said Adisadel said it's a medulla, and I accepted. So actually found in both. It starts in the cortex and ends up in the medulla. So I'll give Yasantwa 2 out of 3. That brings the scores at the end of round 1 to Yasantwa Girls Senior High School, 21 points. Asen State College, 21 points. Adisadel College, 25 points. Round 2. Round 2. In round 2, we have the speed race, and here each question is open to all the schools at the same time. So the first school that believes they have a correct answer, if they ring their bell, I'll allow them to answer. If they give a correct answer, they get 3 points. If the answer is incorrect, the second school, if they give the correct answer, 2 points. If the second answer is incorrect, the third school can answer for 1 point. At any time, there's a penalty of 1 for giving an incorrect answer, or delaying with your answer so that a bell goes after 3 seconds, indicating that you are wasting our time. Okay? So the answer is the answer, not madam. The answer is, or madam, no. All of that, if the bell goes when you haven't started your answer as 2, 3, I move. Okay? Okay, the speed race is sponsored by Truster AI, your real-world experience. And also to our audience, the cheering should be measured because they need to hear. We can't spend all the time cheering a school on so that they won't hear the words I say. If they miss out on even one word, it can affect the answer, okay? So our first question for the speed race. Find the kinetic energy of a particle moving in a circle of radius 2.5 meters when the magnitude of the centripetal force on it is
7.5 joules.
That's correct. Find the energy stored by a 100 microfarad capacitor when the potential difference across its plates. Adisadel.
So you have 1.8 by 10 raised to an exponent of -3 joules.
No, it's 40 volts. Yes, Asen State.
2 times 10 raised to an exponent of -4 joules.
No. Yes, Antoine.
8 by 10 raised to an exponent of -2 joules.
Yes, that's correct. Find the vertical component of the velocity of a projectile propelled at 40 meters per second and aimed
20 meters per second.
That's correct. Find X. Find x from the proportion. So the expression x plus 3 is to 5 equals the expression x minus 2 is to 4. Yes.
X equals negative 22.
No. Assent state.
X is equal to 22.
Yes, x is 22. Given f of x equals 2x plus 1 and g of x equals x plus 3, find f of the expression. Yes.
So we have 2x.
No. Find f of the expression x plus 1 plus g of the expression x minus 1. Yes, Antoine.
3x plus 1.
No. Assent state.
3x plus 4.
No. It's 3x plus 5. Find the domain of the function y equals 5 over the expression. I'll take that again. Hold on. Find the domain of the function y equals 5 over root of the expression x squared minus 4x minus 5.
So we have the domain x. X to be such that x is a member of all real numbers, where x is less than negative 1 or x is greater than 5.
Yes, that's correct. In what form does carbon dioxide?
Bicarbonate ion.
That's correct. So the question is, in what form does carbon dioxide normally exist in blood plasma? And it's bicarbonate ions. What name is given to the production of more than one type of spore by a species? More than one type of spore. Heterospory. What name is given to the uptake of water?
Imbibition.
No. Uptake of water, solutes or other substances into a plant by active or... Yes. Who rang the bell? Yes.
Active transport.
No. Or passive means. Absorption. The decomposition of dinitrogen pentoxide follows first order kinetics. If the rate constant is 4.80 by 10 to the power negative 4, what is the initial rate of decomposition when the concentration of N2O5 is 0.600? Yes, Adisadel.
So we have 2.88 by 10 raised to an exponent of negative 4 mole per decimeter cube second.
That's correct. What volume will 1.40 grams of nitrogen gas occupy at?
So we have 1.1 2 decimeter cube.
No. Yes, Antoine.
2 point.
No. Have they rang the bell? At 300.0 Kelvin and 100.0 kilopascals. Yes, Asin State. Go ahead.
2.49 times 10.
No. So I think sometimes you think you can predict the consultant, but you can't. Okay. What percentage of oxygen is in potassium permanganate? Take Mn to be 55.0. Percentage of oxygen in potassium permanganate. Yes, Adisadel.
40.5%.
That's correct. That brings us to the end of round 2.